Hi you guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Dreamboatsneha. In today's video I'm going to do a tutorial on Christmas party makeup. So guys, keep on watching this video and you can see that I'm totally glammed up and this is my look. So let's get started. First I'll do my eye makeup. I'm taking a contour palette from Wet n Wild and I'll use the lighter shade as a base for my eye makeup. So I'm covering my complete eyelid with this powder as a base. Then I'll be taking this highlighter from MAC. It is in the shade Soft and Gentle, and using a flat brush I'll apply it on my brow bone area, and then I'll also be applying the same shade on my entire eyelid, as you can see. So this is literally the first step of my eye makeup after doing my base. Now I'll be taking my palette. This is from Makeup Revolution, palette name Eyes Like Angels, and I'm taking this shade number 16, and using my finger I'll apply the shade so as to get the maximum pigmentation of this shade. So you can either apply this using your ring finger or you can take a flat brush to apply this shade. Then I'm taking this beautiful brown shade. It is in the number 23 chocolate, and I'll define my outer edges using this smoky brush. This is also known as a smudge brush, and I'll just smoke out my outer edges. This step is to give definition to my eyes, and then I repeat the same on my another eye. Then I'm taking this kohl kajal pencil from Plum brand and it is in the shade brown. I'll use it as an eyeliner and I'll also tightline my lashes. Guys, you can see that in this look I'm not going with a winged eyeliner that I mostly end up doing. In this look I'm keeping my eyeliner little bit short and not going too dramatic, and I'll also apply this on my waterline. I'm not making my eye makeup dramatic because I'll be going with the bold lips, so I want only drama on my lips. For my brows I'm using Goof Proof Brow Pencil from Benefit brand. I'm in the shade 4.5. This is one of my favorite brow pencil, and I use it whenever I'm in rush to fill in my eyebrows, as I have scanty eyebrows. Then the final step, I'll be using Total Temptation waterproof mascara from Maybelline brand. This is also one of the best mascara available in reasonable price. So if you are looking for a good mascara, then you can consider buying this mascara. It is one of a drugstore product and it's really amazing. It gives volume to my lashes instantaneously. Guys, I've already applied my moisturizer, so I'm directly going with strobe cream from MAC and I'll apply it on my entire face to give it a glow. Guys, for color correction I'll be taking LA Girl Pro Conceal HD Definition Concealer in the shade Orange. Guys, this I'll use to color correct any darkness on my face. So I'll be applying it on my forehead, underneath my eyes, near my nose, and also near my lips. Guys, so you can use this orange shade to correct any pigmentation or uneven tone on your face. I'll be using this concealer brush to blend this color and I'm looking very funny. Then I'm taking my Maybelline Fit Me concealer in the shade medium and I'll just apply it on the top of the red color correction that I've done. This step is done to neutralize the orange color that you have just applied on your face to make your skin even. Now I'll take the beauty blender to blend my concealer, and you can see once I've blended it, my skin looks even and one skin tone. And then I repeat the same on my other part of the face, and you can see how even skin tone my face is looking. Now moving to my foundation, I'll be using Makeup Forever foundation in the shade Y245. This is an Ultra HD foundation and I love how natural finish this gives to my face. It has light to medium coverage, and this is my one of the favorite foundation. I know it's quite costly, but I think it's worth it. So I'll apply it not only on my face but also on my neck, and I'm using a foundation brush to blend my foundation. I always apply my foundation in dots so that it's very easy to blend it all together. Then I'll use my beauty blender to push the foundation, and also if there's any extra foundation then it'll come off on my beauty blender. So this step will ensure a flawless all blended foundation look. Now this is the magic step that I use. I use my fingers to push the products all together so as to create a smooth canvas on my face. Then I'm taking Instant Age Rewind concealer from Maybelline in the shade Ivory, and I'll apply it underneath my eyes, on my forehead, on bridge of my nose, and also on my cupid bow. Then I'm using the beauty blender to blend it out. This step is used to highlight the features that I want to pop out. So once I'm done with this step, I'll take the translucent powder to set my entire makeup. I'm taking the loose powder from Maybelline Fit Me range in the shade 15, and I'll use a thin brush to apply it underneath my eyes to set the concealer that I've already applied underneath my eyes. And then to set the entire makeup on my face, I'll be using the same loose powder and I'll apply it using a fluffy brush. For my lips, I'll be using Midnight Rose in the shade 12 from Lip Crown range of faces. And this is a very beautiful deep red color. This will go for your Christmas party makeup look, as Christmas is all about using red color. Then to further define my lips, I'm taking this lip liner from Nykaa. The shade number I'll mention in the description box below. And I'm using it to just give that final precise lip definition. Now guys, this is totally your call. You can even skip this step. I'm further going ahead with the NYX lip cream in the shade Copenhagen to further amplify my lip shade, and this can be skipped. I'm just doing it for fun. And I'll also use the same color on my cheeks so as to apply it as a blush. I'll use fingers to just blend it out. Guys, I always use lip color on my cheeks as a blush. Like most of the time it is my lip color only, and you can always apply an extra layer to further deepen the color of your blush. Now guys, again I'll take my Wet n Wild contour palette. This time I'll be using the darker shade from the palette. Then I'll make a pot-like face, and then I'll use a contour brush to apply it on my cheeks and also on my chin, just like this, and then I'll blend them out. This step will create dimension and shadows on my face. As you can see, it has made my cheeks look a bit more chiseled. I have chubby cheeks, so this step ensures that my cheeks look a little bit chiseled. Now I'm taking my MAC highlighter again, that's soft and gentle shade, and I'm using this fan brush to highlight my cheekbones. After done with my fan brush, I'll take another brush and I'll just blend my highlighter, blush and contour all together so that there's no harsh line visible and they look all blended together. Then again I am taking my fan brush to highlight my nose. I'll also use the same brush to highlight my cupid bow, and this is how I look. Now final step is to set my makeup using a setting spray, and this is from NYX, and after applying it on my face I'll just let it get dry. So that's it guys, this is my final look. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you did then please give it a thumbs up and do comment in the box below that what you like the most about this look. And I wish you guys a Merry Christmas. So I'll see you soon in my next video. Till then, bye.